DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got the Toy Tokyo Halloween mystery box. Now, I am not for these mystery boxes. I've been passing for a long time, man. Every time I see them up, it's tempting. But when I see people catching them L's, them losses, it pains me. It really pains me. I watch some of the videos on YouTube. I see it on Instagram, and I'm like, man, you guys are spending a lot of money. Sometimes not so much. This was only $40, so it's not a huge loss if I don't get something good. But I see people spending over $100 and they get something that's worth maybe like, I don't know, maybe $10. I mean, that is just straight up foul, straight up ruthless. I understand it's a gamble. Some people got to catch L's for some to get W's. That's just how it goes. There's got to be some losers to have some winners. So I understand the whole thing. It's completely a gamble. And I figured, you know what? Let me try. Let's see what I could do with this right here. And we're going to open it up together. While I'm opening this, man, I've watched a few videos. I've seen stuff on YouTube. Some people have definitely scored, but there's been some heads that, man, they caught some serious L's. I've seen one dude open up the box and got a Lando Calrissian Hot Topic exclusive. I don't even think it's worth $10. And, you know, I don't buy Pops for what it's worth, but at the same time, if you're spending $40, at least put something in the box that's worth maybe $30, maybe $25. But for you to give something that's worth that little, I mean, it's a gamble. It's really a gamble, as I was saying. It's a complete gamble. I've seen some dude, I wish I remember their YouTube channels. I really don't, because I just watch before turning the record button on this, and like, dude got like the Ernie flocked version. I think that thing is worth like $25. I mean, that's not super bad, but like, when it comes to stuff that's on clearance over at Hot Topic for like $6, $7, I don't think that's right. I think that's messed up. That's just my opinion. Some are gonna agree, some are gonna disagree. Let me know your thoughts on these mystery boxes. And we got it open, so let me put this knife down before I cut myself. And I'll let you guys see what it is before I see it. Please hit the thumbs up button before we do so. Thank you so much for everyone that did. I love seeing a lot of thumbs ups. And that's what we got. I don't know if you guys could see. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's Star Wars. And I actually like this pop right here. I don't know how much it's worth. As long as it ain't no clearance crap, I'm not mad at it. This is a dope pop. Definitely a dope pop. Not what I wanted, but this is a dope pop. Let's see how much it's actually worth. $30. It's worth $30. So it was an L. I caught an L, but it wasn't as bad as some other people. I definitely caught an L, but I love this pop actually, so I'm not mad at it. It's worth $30, released in 2014, and it was vaulted May 29, 2015. I would say this would look pretty cool next to this on the shelf. So, I'm a big Star Wars guy. I'm not mad at it. $30, $29, whatever the case may be, that's no biggie. I lose $10, I'm fine. I actually really like this pop, so I'm not mad at it. But the one thing is, with these mystery boxes and with companies, when you guys are sending pops that are on clearance, I think that's kind of BS. I think that's really dirty. That's really, really foul. Like, that's not right, man. I understand you can't send everyone the top pop, you know, the ones that are worth the most. But clearance, come on, man. Really? Really? Come on. Let me hit you with a quick look at the actual Funko Pop, too. It's an awesome pop. And I think down the line, this will be worth definitely more money. I know that is a big deal with a lot of Funko Pop collectors. How much it's worth. There's a lot of people that collect, they're not even fans of what they buy, which to me is the weirdest thing. I see YouTubers that say like, oh, I don't watch this, but I like collecting the Funko Pops of it. To me, that's the strangest thing ever. I only buy what I'm really into. Like, there's no way in hell I'm buying something just because it's limited or rare. Like, that's just whack to me. I don't get that. Unless you're a reseller, then I understand. I'm trying to make money. But yeah, this is a sweet pop right here. Now the big question is, will I do another mystery box with Toy Tokyo? I don't think so. I definitely don't think so, because from what I've been seeing out there on Instagram and on YouTube. Seems like a lot of people have been catching losses, so I don't think it's worth it. Will I do any more mystery boxes? Maybe. Let me know what you want me to do. Maybe I'll try out that mystery box. Leave it in the comment box below. Where do you recommend me getting a next mystery box? If you guys enjoy these mystery box videos, I mean, hey, if this video gets tons of views and it's worth my while to do another mystery box, then I'll do another mystery box. Maybe even from Toy Tokyo. But once again, I kept seeing so many people that got some real crappy Funko Pops from Toy Tokyo. Not even on this mystery box, the Halloween one, but other ones. So I don't know, I gotta weigh it out. I do have another mystery box though, and this one is from the Walker Stalker Conventions. This was sent to me by Plastic Empire, so definitely stay tuned for that video. You may be watching it and it may already be up. If it is, you'll see like a pop-up somewhere on the screen, or just go to the main page, watch all of my newest videos, definitely. I did also do a pretty awesome video where I bought 10 Funko Pops to see if I could get any chases. I bought the same pop 10 times to see what the odds were with me getting a chase. It's 1 in 6 chances. I decided, you know what, let me buy 10 pops and see what we are going to get out of the 10 pops. The same pop. Watch that video because I do a giveaway on that video. I will be announcing it probably next week. I want to give everyone a chance to enter the giveaway. So check out that video also. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. Please leave comments. I love reading comments. And if you didn't thumbs up the video, please do so. Subscribe, of course, for more content. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow with a new video. We'll do this, all right? Much love.